Register your SIM in 3 easy steps. Enter this URL to your available browser if you want to register your SIM. For Smart, use this link. For Globe, use this link, or you can also register using your Globe One app. For Ditto SIM, use this link, or you may use your Ditto app. Step 1. Get your PIN. You need to ready your phone because you are going to use it to receive an OTP when you enter your mobile number below. Sample, I enter my number here. And then be sure to check that you read and understood the terms and condition. Then press Send OTP. You can receive 6-digit code to your mobile number. That code is your OTP. Step 2. Input your information. Please enter the OTP and press Verify OTP.
It's true, the difference is the same. The colors always change, but the song is the same now. In June, lifting us higher. Ooh, we can see so clear.
You will receive a notification like this. Success. Your mobile number was successfully verified. Click OK to proceed. Select the type of registration from the drop-down below. Like I'm registering a newly bought SIM. I'm registering my old SIM. I'm registering a newly bought SIM for a minor, and I'm registering an old SIM for a minor. For me, I select I'm registering my old SIM. After that, complete this customer information. Select what is your nationality. Select what type of your ID.
Feelings not always keeping us close, but it's strange now. Dreams holding us closer. Meadows of our youth. 107.
Upload the photo of your valid ID and your selfie.
Our dreams holding us closer. See so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear.
Enter also your ID card number. Your first name,
And you are shades of gray.
middle name.
Day to day.
If you have no legal middle name, you check this checkbox. And your last name. Then enter your birthday and then sex.
The colors always change.
After filling out all the information, click Next to address information. Fill up all this information. Enter your house or lot number, street, village, or subdivision, unit, building, province, city or municipality, barangay, and last is your zip code. Below you need also to enter your alternate contact number and your email address. If done, click Next. This is now the summary of the information I entered. Below it checks I do hereby attest that I personally accomplished the registration. And the information and identification documents provided are true, accurate, and correct in compliance to RA 11934. An act requiring the registration of subscriber identity module. Next box is optional. You check this box if you want to receive customized offers, recommendations, and promotions from Smart through your contact details. My SIMs are already registered. Out of 12 registered SIMs, 5 of it I prepared to receive customized offers and recommendations. Then click Next. Step 3. Wait for the confirmation. You will receive a confirmation after pressing the Next button. Your SIM registration is currently being processed. Please expect an SMS from your mobile phone. Please keep the control number you receive. Or don't forget to screenshot because this control number will serve as your certificate of registration. You're done. If you have more mobile numbers, then click Register another SIM. You can register more numbers if you have more. That all, guys. Hope you learn it. If you find this video more informative, then give me a thumbs up. And better to subscribe this channel cause I uploaded more informative and educational video here. Once again, this Online Gainers TV your host. God bless you all.